Lord, I still need you every single day. Through sunshine and sorrow, don't let me stray. The world keeps turning, but my heart stays true. 'Cause nothing can hold the way that you do. I still need you, oh, I still need you. More than breath, more than life, more than I ever knew. When I fall to my knees, Lord, come rushing. Yes, I still need you. Oh, I still need you. I still need you. I still need you. Oh, I still need you. I've walked through valleys and I've climbed high hills. I've tasted the silence when nothing could heal. But your voice, soft and steady, would always break through. No matter how far you carried me through, I still need you, I still need you. Like a river needs the rain, like the morning needs dew. When my soul is weary, you make it new. Yes, I still need you, Lord, I still need you. Oh, I still need you. Oh, I still need you. Oh, I still need you. I won't pretend I made it on my own. Every blessing I have, Lord, you alone. So I lift my hands and I lift this cry. Stay with me, Jesus, walk by my side. I still need you, I still need you. Through every high and low, you're my rescue. If I have one song, if I have one truth, it's I still need you. Lord, I still need you. Oh, I still, oh, I still need you.